Walk one, girl.
I'm going.
Fuck, I would Shani. So you get it. Bad.
I wouldn't hear Shani.
What's your name?
So you're gonna go now?
Hey! Yo, dad, come on, come on.
Yo, what's your dad? I'm going.
I got a girlfriend last night. That's true, though, that.
I'm munching.
And your girlfriend last night?
So then fuck you going with it?
No, munching this time. Munching.
Well, I'm curious for this, brother. Yo! Yeah, I'm charge you. Come here, brother.
I'm munching this dog.
Come on, man. Yo, and the Susan this.
No, dog. I'm munching this dog.
When you're so bad.
I mean, it's munching to go down. I won't know, brother.
What do you have to say? First I show you how to do
I can't say anything with that.
But I said, yeah, down.
Lion! Get your girl close to the third narrator, you that? Alright. Done.